Hey guys, I wanted to show you my recent Arduino project. So I've been doing a lot of work with this laptop, and it's an old laptop. It's a 2013 MacBook Pro. And when I do a lot of stuff, open a lot of different programs, it gets pretty hot pretty fast, and it's gonna thermal throttle, which means it's slow down. So I built this cool pad, which is also acts as a standard as well. And so this is built with a plywood, and it's got a little four uh, little distance so air can come in. And then underneath here there is a fan. So this is like a old speaker grills that I put in there and screwed in. And then the fan I use is a very big fan. It can connect directly to a main AC power. So and but it's not very loud. I mean, when I turn it on, it's reasonably um, quiet. It's not too loud that distracts me. Um, but then I had to manually switch it on and switch it off every time. So that's I'm lazy. I don't want to do that. I want to make it automatic. So I thought I can get CPU temperatures from the computer. So I there is a Python code that you can, uh, for example, if you go to your open terminal, and I'm running Ubuntu on this laptop. If you get a package and uh, type sensors, it brought something like this. So as you can see, we got the temperatures of hard drive and bunch of other things, and then and in the bottom it says core 0 and core 1, and that right now they're set to 52 degrees Celsius and 47 degrees. So because this laptop is an old laptop, it runs it's only has a 2 core processor. And you can also get it in if you say watch sensor. Well, okay. And now it continuously takes the measurements of the temperatures. For example, it's 53, 50, 51. So if I can get these temperatures, if there was a way of sending these temperatures to an Arduino and then use that Arduino to switch the this fan, that would be awesome. That's exactly what I did. I show you my code. I used this Python code, and also from serial communication to send the data. Yes, so here we import subprocess, time, and pyfermata, which is pyfermata is a library that allows me to send data via serial communication, basically via USB to the Arduino. And we just acquire it and go through the data and then send the two temperatures that I get uh, directly to the Arduino. And here's my Arduino. I show you here. It's all wired up. If I get them, let me see. Okay. So as you can see right now, it's getting the temperatures. Core 0 is 54 degrees, and core 1 is 49 degrees, and also it says fan off. But if I open bunch of programs, um, the temperatures will go on, and it should automatically turn the fan on. So back here, I'm gonna open my, let's go to YouTube. um I open my YouTube and open a 4K video, which is 4K video is uh very demanding. The CPU temperature is gonna go high very soon. And All right, for example, this video, and I crank the resolution all the way to 4K, right? And also I maximize it. So now if you go back here, you see the temperatures are going up. And now it's turned on the fan. Yeah, works very well. And so, but if I like close this programs, close the video, YouTube, I also have Teams and Skype open as well. Uh, so now if we go back in, the temperature drops to 65, 69 degrees, and now the turn is turned off, the fan. So it works very well. So that program, that's this Python code that is, let me open it again. Yes, Komodo. So this Python code is actually runs on the background right now. So I modified my rs local rs local.rs no, rs.local, what I'm saying. So the way you run this Python code as soon as you boot up, so I don't want to start it every time. So now that I open it, you see here I put the path to my Python code in the RC, this the rc.local. So whenever I boot up my system, it will run automatically that Python script. So that Python script sends commands over USB um, to this Arduino, and then Arduino also displays it yeah, on this little LCD module as well. So, and also it's and switches this fan. This fan is also what the Arduino basically does is to turn on and off a GPIO pin, and that pin is switches and relay module. So relay is switches this main power of the fan. So that's how it works. And let me show you my Arduino code as well, so you know how the Arduino code works. So here it is. At the top we use Firmata library and also the liquid crystal library. In the void setup, you can see I put a pin 8 mode as an output, and I initially set it to low, and also have a fan status and which is an integer. We begin or initialize our LCD and Firmata library, which is for serial communication. In a loop is just waiting for the Firmata to be Firmata messages to be available. And in the middle here we have a Firmata which is a string data callback function. This callback function, so all the messages from serial data from the Python code that is running on the PC, it sends the data converted to strings, and then these strings come in here and gets captured by this function. Whenever the string comes in, this function string data callback void string data callback function gets executed. And I first this string consists of two numbers, so the temperature of the two cores, and each number is three characters. So I copy these characters to another string. Then these two strings, we using atomic function, we turn them back to int, and then we print this data on the LCD, and also switch pin 8, which is or the switch for which is used for switching the relay. Yeah, so that's it. It was very fun to build this, and I'm very proud of it. Yeah, thanks for watching.